Hello and welcome guys on another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to learn perfect present tense. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any update and we also get supported. Those who are new to our channel, I would request them to start learning from the very first lecture in our playlist so that they can learn step by step English grammar skills. Here we have the positive negative formula of the tense, perfect present tense. Positive, subject plus have has plus verb 3 plus object, and in negative, subject plus have has plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Have is applicable with the pronouns of I, we, you, they and all the plurals as subject, and has is applicable when the subject is he, she, it and all names. In short, it is third person singular. So you can note down all these rules. Verb 3 stands for past participle form of the verb, and I would also request those who want to refer all the tenses again from the very first tense, they should refer lecture number 12 in our playlist. So at the moment you can see all the things written uh, pertaining to perfect present tense, and you can write down all these things into your notebooks. I am quickly moving ahead with practice sentences. You can pause the video and write down all the things. Let's move on to the next screen, and we have planned my brother's marriage on Akshaya Tritiya. So I'm going to give you 10 important sentences which include all the varieties that we have learned until now in different tenses, and I'm going to give you 10 sentences which have correlation and cohesiveness between them so that it can make a short story as well. And this is the way we must communicate in any language including English. So the first sentence is on your screen at the moment. We have planned my brother's marriage on Akshaya Tritiya. Those friends who are out of India, I would like to tell them that Akshaya Tritiya is an auspicious date of getting married in India, particularly according to Hindu calendar. So we have planned my brother's marriage on Akshaya Tritiya. We have not planned my brother's marriage tomorrow. So that's the natural way of speaking, that we use negative sentences simultaneously. So that's it for the first sentence. Second sentence, my family has established Ganeshji first of all. My family has not established Ganeshji afterward. So whatever good things we do, whatever auspicious things we do in India, we start those things, we start those functions and rituals with the worship of Lord Ganesha. So that's what I have tried to cover over here. So my family is the subject, then have has. My family is a one entity, a single entity, therefore has been used. My family has established Ganeshji first of all. My family has not established Ganeshji afterward. So that's what we do every day. Third sentence, I have informed my friends by giving them invitations. I have not informed my friends by just calling them. So you would also see that these sentences are in the conformity of practical and natural communication that we make in our mother tongue itself, and our English communication should be in the same way in English as well, whether it is writing or speaking. Fourth sentence, my dad has given enough money to plan the event. My dad has not given less money to plan the event. All our negative sentences are in such a way that they don't change the meaning of positive sentences. Fifth sentence is there, he has invited. He has been used here for my father or my dad. So he has invited many guests to bless in the marriage. Bless the couple in the marriage. The couple getting married, right? So the guest would come and bless them in that way. He has not invited many guests to show off, right? My brother has chosen a Radha Krishna theme for it. So for the whole function, for the whole event, my brother who is getting married has chosen a theme of Radha Krishna, which is the symbol of love and sacred, right? My brother has not chosen a Western theme for it. We are not against Western, but here I am trying to advocate the support to my traditions and culture. Seventh sentence, we have decorated our home with beautiful flowers. We have not decorated our home with balloons. I think flowers are really very effective to decorate with, because balloons are somehow, they are not good and environment friendly, whereas flowers are really very beautiful, and the aroma that we feel with the flowers is really very divine. So that's what have been communicated over here. I have decided to give my brother a surprise gift. I haven't, that is the abbreviated form of have not. I haven't decided to give my brother an expensive gift. So whomever we gift, our gift should be not expensive. It is not necessary to be expensive. Yes, over here as well, I have decided to give my brother a surprise gift, but it is not an expensive one. That's what I am trying to communicate, and that should be our communication also. We all have bought the traditional clothes. So all the verbs have been made past participle form, right? We have not bought the western clothes. So particularly in function, in normal day we wear casual clothes, right? Jeans, t-shirt and all this stuff, but in functions particularly we wear traditional clothes. So that's it. We all have bought the traditional clothes and not the western clothes, or I would say informal clothes. I have told my friends to come before 2 days. I haven't told my friends to come before a week. So coming before a week is quite impossible for people in this busy world. So I have told them to come at least before 2 days. And in positive sentences, I have used the abbreviated form of I have, followed by the verb 3 and object, my friend, then to accommodate another verb before 2 days indicates the time itself. So I hope guys all these sentences will guide you and will help you a lot in generating ideas and creating communication on your own. Please don't forget to like and comment on our videos. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and family, so that they have an opportunity to learn English grammar and other skills step by step in a good manner. Thank you very much guys for joining us today. Thank you.